Need to cancel a Ria transfer and request a refund? Here's how to do it smoothly. First, log into your Ria app or website and go to your activity or transfer screen. Find the transfer you want to cancel and tap Cancel Transfer. You'll be prompted to confirm and explain why you are canceling. This feedback helps Ria improve their service. If you're chatting on their site or app, open the chat, choose your transfer, and ask the virtual assistant or agent to cancel it for you. For transfers made in person at a real location, call customer care and give them your reference number. You can only cancel transfers that haven't been paid out if the money is already with the recipient or en route via their banks, so a cancellation may not be possible. Once you have it canceled, Ria will automatically issue a refund to your original payment method. Here's how long it usually does take. So you have a bank transfer refund. It takes you about 4 business days. Then you got debit credit card refund. It takes about 3 to 5 business days, and cash takes about 3 to 5 business days as well. After you submit a refund, form in store US refund via mail check, and you also get back any fees you paid. So if you don't see your refund after 10 business days, contact your bank or Ria support to follow up.